Tired of the same old dinner routine? Dreaming of crispy, delicious food without the greasy mess or unhealthy consequences? The Philips Airfryer XXL isn't here to just replace your deep fryer. It's here to revolutionize your kitchen. This isn't your average air fryer, it's a culinary powerhouse that boasts innovative fat removal technology, a surprisingly versatile skill set, and enough capacity to feed a crowd. Imagine perfectly roasted vegetables, juicy grilled steaks, and even fluffy pastries all achieved with minimal oil and a fraction of the cooking time. Intrigued? Keep reading to discover why the Philips Airfryer XXL could be the healthy and exciting kitchen upgrade you've been waiting for. We'll delve into its features, functionalities, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if this air fryer deserves a prime spot on your countertop. The star of the show, fat removal technology. What truly sets the Philips Airfryer XXL apart is its patented fat removal technology. Unlike traditional air fryers, this model goes a step further by capturing excess fat drippings in a separate compartment at the bottom of the appliance. This translates to potentially healthier fried food with less fat and fewer calories, while still achieving crispy perfection. Beyond frying, a culinary chameleon. Don't be fooled by the name air frying is just the beginning. The Philips Airfryer XXL boasts a surprising range of functionalities. Grilling. Achieve restaurant-quality sear marks on meats and vegetables. Roasting. Enjoy perfectly roasted vegetables, chicken, or even a whole small bird. Baking. Whip up basic pastries and snacks with ease. Reheating. Give leftovers a second life without sacrificing texture. Dehydrating. Create healthy homemade snacks like dried fruit or jerky. Toasting. Enjoy perfectly brown toast without the need for a separate toaster oven. This versatility allows you to explore a variety of recipes and potentially replace multiple countertop appliances, freeing up valuable counter space. XXL Capacity. Feeding a crowd just got easier. The XXL moniker isn't just for show. This air fryer boasts a generous 3-pound 4-quart capacity, allowing you to cook meals for up to 6 people. This makes it ideal for families or those who like to cook in larger batches. For example, you can fit a whole chicken or 2 bags of frozen fries, ensuring everyone gets their crispy fix. Performance powerhouse, speed and efficiency. The Philips Airfryer XXL boasts rapid air technology, heating up quickly for immediate use. This translates into faster cooking times compared to a conventional oven. Some recipes claim to be ready in as little as a quarter of the time. No preheating is required, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Easy cleaning and user-friendly design. The Philips Airfryer prioritizes ease of use. The design is sleek and intuitive, with a digital interface and various preset options for common foods. Most removable parts are dishwasher-safe, and the quick clean basket features a non-stick coating for effortless food removal and minimal scrubbing. A few points to consider. While the Philips Airfryer XXL offers a plethora of features, here are some things to keep in mind. Larger footprint. The XXL size means this air fryer occupies more counter space than some models. Higher price point. The innovative fat removal technology comes at a premium price compared to some standard air fryers. Limited reviews. Due to its newer release, this model might have fewer user reviews compared to established products. The final verdict, innovation with a premium price tag. The Philips Airfryer XXL offers a unique and innovative approach to healthy frying. The fat removal technology and multifunctionality make it a versatile kitchen companion. However, the larger size and higher price point might be drawbacks for some. Ultimately, if you're looking for a cutting air fryer with advanced features and prioritize healthier fried food options, the Philips Airfryer XXL could be a worthwhile investment. However, if budget or counter space is a concern, other air fryers might be a better fit. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.